Welcome back guys to a new video. I have right here the new Opel Astra hatchback 2019 model, brand new facelift. It's right here and I'm really happy to review it for you, interior, exterior and every single detail. We will start with the exterior of the car and you will see in the front they keep the shape of the front grille. Also we have the new full LED lamps right here. They are matrix LED light, great visibility. You have a great visibility in the night, and they have also a nice shape down there. We have also the fog lamp, 6 parking sensors in the front, also in the back. The rims are kind of nice, classic nice. They have a little bit of improvement, but they look super nice. Here's some information. This car start at 20,000 euro, but this model here in front of me it's 35,000 euro. So it has some option on it. You will see it in the moment. Also, you can pause the video if you want to see all that details. The engine, if you are interested to see how the engine look like, you can see a pic right now on the engine. Also it has a manually hood there. Also the blinkers are also still on the body, something that I don't like. Particularly I like it on the mirror. They're also nice shape, blind spot technology in the mirror. You can also see it there. That's what I'm talking about. These cars start at 20,000 euro, but this car here is 35,000 euro because it has blind spot, keyless entrance, full LED lamps, 6 parking sensors front, back, also adaptive cruise control, and the camera for reading the uh, speed limit. Anyway, now in the back you can see the signature on the LED light. Kind of simple the way they design upper part here. The upper spoiler look pretty simple. I was expected a little bit more slicky and a little bit more aerodynamic. Also the braking light up there. Here we have the new signature LED light that looks super nice. I like it very much. I like the backlight on the new Astra. Also 6 parking sensors like I told you before. Great job, I like that. Not many car have 6 parking sensors in the front, in the back. Also back camera and full LED lamp on the number plate. This is again a good thing. They hide the exhaust pipe there. You can see it's under the car like on the electric cars. Maybe in the future Astra Opel will come with an electric, full electric Astra. We will see. They promise until 2025 they will come with an electric car for every single model that they have. They share the same platform at the um, Peugeot and Citroën for electric cars. Um, so they should be able to do that. The doors, some plastic, some leather here in the middle part, the same like on the Opel Corsa. If you didn't see it yet, check out my other videos with the new Opel Corsa. I have also the new Insignia Tourer and also new Opel Corsa and new Opel Astra Tourer Sport. On the side we have some plastic there. The seats are great leather quality, as you see here in the image. I like them. They have also some little holes there in the middle. They are very useful in the winter. Also an armrest here, no cup holders. In the armrest in the middle, we have the heated seat in the back and 2 USB port. Very useful these days for the smartphones and tablet and wherever you want to charge it. Up here we have 2 LED lights on the roof, and yeah, the entrance in the car is kind of big, impressive. Also, I just want to show you the trunk now. So we have a manually trunk here, manually lift gate. Also the entrance with some plastic and a little bit of deepness there in the left, in the right. It's kind of normal, but it's huge trunk for this type of car. Also, you can take this out if you want to carry big items. And under here, you have still plenty of space for repair kit and other things. That's why I tell you it's a huge trunk, and it's kind of good. It's good. It's good. Great job. Not bad. Great entrance. Very good. Really interesting the way they designed this part here. Um, I never see that before up there. Also, anyway, lift down the seat and folding down the seat and we'll see the space. It's huge. Also down here on the legs you have plenty of space for carrying things. For example, for example, this rucksack, you can make a difference. It's big rucksack and you still have plenty of space there. I think you can put a big pack here. Pretty awesome. Anyway, great job. A lot of space there in the back, and also here in the trunk. It's all flat there, so it should be no problem to carry bigger items. Good, great job, Opel. I like that. Let's put back the seats, guys, and let's go inside to check the space of the head and on the legs. So now the space on the legs, it's pretty good. Look at this. Look at this. It's super good space. I'm really impressed. And the front seat, it's in normal position. You can see now. Then you don't think I do something. Also, I can stretch a little bit the legs under the front seat. Really impressive, the space. I don't know how they do that, but the space, it's great. Also on my head here, wait, can I show you the other hand? 5 fingers. Wow, it's a super spacious car. Well done, Opel. Well done. The visibility is good, but not perfect. You can see in the back there a little bit of, yeah, kind of blind spot, but yeah, it's pretty okay. But it's not like an Opel Insignia, but it's kind of good for the type of the car. Even in the middle, I have plenty of space. Quite impressive, really impressive, really good. Someone was there in the front and talking to me while I'm filming. That's why I'm laughing. So if you're wondering why I'm laughing like a dumb, um, there was two person in the front, one woman, one man, that they talked to me, and yeah. Anyway, let's go out. Great space in the back. I'm really impressed with the space in the back and in the trunk. Until now it is perfect. Also, I want to show you this big entrance in the car, so you have great space. They designed the car perfectly for huge space in the interior. I don't know if they advertise that, but I will for them because I like that. I like that it's plenty of space inside the car. Outside the car, also the design, it's nice. It's not super beautiful, but it's nice design. It's a clean design. I can say it's a nice. It looks here, as I told you, the new Matrix LED light from Opel, adaptive LED. They are great in the night. I should make a test soon with those LED lights. But anyway, nice design, nice shapes on the hood. Here you can see the hood have three shapes, pretty beautiful. We will go in the front now to show you. Also big windows in the front. I guess it has, but I don't understand why they put that little pillar there. Um, there was better without it. Also leather in the middle part, the plastic up and down, as you know from the other models. If you check out my channel, also a little bit of black glossy plastic, and the buttons are simple black. We have the speaker down here, the Bose speaker, great sound inside the car, good quality. Also the Opel logo, and then adjustable electric seats. You can see here saving position and all that adjustable things. Side support, leather, heated seat, of course. You can adjust the front part as well. The seats have some holes there, and they are pretty good to breathe out the skin when you're sitting on them. A little space here, the light buttons adjustable. Also the vents here on the side, soft material on the dashboard. I think it's rubber, aluminum pedals. If you see before, the armrest with a little bit of space there. We have an auxiliary, and the space for SD card is right there. Also here in the middle, cup holder, and yeah, electric handbrake, 12-volt port, and the stick for changing the gear. I will show you now. I have a nice space inside the car. If you see there, like a sport position. Also the gearbox, we have six speed here on this car. Also we have down there the buttons for lane assist and um, parking sensors, the climatic system. Also, these seats are ventilated. Wow, really impressive. So the front seats are heated and also ventilated in the summer. It's perfect. I didn't expect that from 35,000 euro. You get so many things, so much technology, and wow, ventilated seat, pretty cool. Also the new digital cockpit is here, and I will show you in the moment. Up here we have the mirror with the light, also LED lights up here on the roof. It's LED, it's not working now, I don't know why, but I tell you it's LED because I see it before. Great visibility also on the windows in the back, a little bit of blind spot in the corner, but this car have a back camera as well, so no problem at all when you're working the car. Also the steering wheel, it's nice, good quality leather, and it has a great grip, and it's also look nice. The buttons are here for changing the different settings on the new digital cockpit. In the middle it's the digital cockpit, and on the side we have the turometer, and on the right side we have the gas and the temperature for the water. So you can adjust and customize the display there in the middle, the things that you want to see, for example navigation or multimedia, telephone, or all that stuff. It's not as good as on the Volkswagen Golf or Audi, but it's pretty nice, nicer than before. Here in the middle, the multimedia system, it's also cool. I think you know it from the previous models. It's perfect, it's very responsive, it's simple. You can connect Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, your telephone. You have navigation, it's very responsive. As you play with your finger, you have a lot of information there, and also it's big enough to see clearly from the driver point of view. Also, it's work super fast, super smooth. You can see here I play with it a little bit, and you can see how smooth it's working. So not like in other cars, I don't want to give names, but it's kind of good. It's really smooth, and also the position of driving, the visibility, it is very good. Great. So yeah, I guess I show you almost everything in the car. I did a very fast review. I don't have time to stay, but when the car come in my country, I will review it for you, and I will make a much more detailed review about the car. So anyway, until now, what can I say? Great price, nice car, a lot of good technology. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Not bad. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy the review with the new Opel Astra. Please subscribe to my channel if you didn't do it yet. Also, like, share it. Thank you very much for watching my channel. This is mean a lot for me. And don't forget to check out my other videos. I have plenty of new cars on my channel, and I think you will like it. So, thank you for watching. Check out the other video, and see you soon in the next video. Bye, guys.